Hey guys! Ayan, maayong hapon sa tanan, taga Abu Dhabi. Ayan, biyahe taga ron paingon sa Calipa City. So, ayan. Ubani ko ninyo kuan, ubani ko ninyo sa pag-drive. Let's go!
This one's for you, my love, my John. We met online in 2019. 2 hearts apart, chasing a dream. 9 months talking every night. And silence came and took the light. 2 years gone, I thought it's done. In 2021, love begun. You came back like you never left. You fill my heart, I'm truly blessed. In the middle of the desert, under the sky, you took my hand, said, will you be mine? We said I do, in Georgia's breeze. Now I know you're all I need. You make my life so easy, even when it's hard. You make me laugh with your silly heart. Every meal you make, every drive you do, I thank the Lord every day for you. I promise, baby, forever and true love and cherish only you. You pick me up, drop me at work. Little things that always work. You hold me close when life's too loud. Your love's my peace, my silver cloud. When the world feels heavy, you lift me high. You remind me that love will never die. Every touch, every smile, every word you say makes me fall in love again. Every day you make my life so easy. You make me laugh. Your silly heart. Every meal you make, every drive you do, I thank the Lord every day for you. I promise, baby, forever and true love and cherish only you.
Alright, thank you so much for watching. Nandito na tayo. Nanata diri sa Calipa City. Alright, peace!